In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. Facebook Music Story is a popular feature that a lot of users use on the platform. This allows users to express how they feel along the photo that they have as a story. There are two things that you can do to fix this. The first thing that you'll need to do would be to open Play Store and search for Facebook. On your Play Store, check if you have updates for Facebook, and if you find the update button instead of the open button, then you'll need to click on the update button to update the app on your device. This makes sure that you have all the necessary updates for Facebook. Now once this is installed on your device, go ahead and go back to Facebook to check if you already have a feature. Now if you already updated the app on your device and you still don't have the feature, go ahead and click on the menu button. This will take you to the menu section of Facebook. And here, go ahead and click on Help and Support, which you'll find above Settings and Privacy. Now in here, click on Report a Problem to report a problem. If you still don't have the feature, then you must report this problem to Facebook to ask them to make this feature available to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.